Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see unfulfilled orders on Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to see unfulfilled orders on Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to see unfulfilled orders on Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to see unfulfilled orders on Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing unfulfilled orders on Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. It is also very important to check unfulfilled orders section. You might forget to fulfill any order. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on orders. If you have 100 of orders and forget to fulfill any order, just check from here. Click on unfulfilled. From here, you can see all of your unfulfilled orders. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see unfulfilled orders in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.